'Pag hindi mo ginawa yan, papatayin ko yung pamilya mo. That's intimidation. Dito kasi, force or intimidation. Malamang yang pagmamadali na yan, papasok yan sa intimidation at hindi sa puwersa. Pero mga kabatas natin, yung intimidation na naman talaga, it must be sufficient enough actually to overcome again the free will of a person. 'Pag hindi mo ginawa yan, papatayin ko yung pamilya mo. That's intimidation. That is compelling intimidation for you to do anything just to save your family. So, hindi force yung sinasabi nilang pinagmamadali ka kasi prepare na, 'di ba? That's additional pressure. Pero it's not force in the legal sense.